Surya Prakash. Surya Prakash.
Hello, yes, ma'am.
Say about ketogenesis and ketolysis. What are ketone bodies?
Yes.
Give examples of ketone bodies. What? Say examples of ketone bodies.
Yes, ketogenesis and ketolysis.
Okay. Ketone bodies examples.
Acetone,
Hmm.
acetoacetate,
Okay.
BI, beta hydroxy tetrahydrate,
Beta
but,
hydroxybutyrate. Hmm.
butyrate,
Okay. And where they are synthesized?
mitochondria.
Okay. What is the importance of ketone bodies? Any other person? Surya Prakash. Thank you. Anybody else can say about the importance of ketone bodies? Why ketone bodies are necessary to be synthesized in the body? Mitochondria. Jacinta.
Ma'am,
Yeah, say about the importance of ketone bodies.
they enter blood to provide energy, ma'am, and
And which
also to heart tissues
okay,
during starvation of the brain also.
okay, good. Hmm. Thank you, Jacinta.
Okay, ma'am.
Kishore Kumar, say about ketogenesis, how ketogenesis occurs. What is ketogenesis? What is the precursor for synthesizing ketogenesis? Make it fast, Kishore Kumar. Danush. Danush.
Ma'am,
Say the precursor for ketogenesis. Kishore Kumar, you will be absent then. You are not able to answer. Next to Danush, you have to answer, okay?
ketogenesis,
Say, huh? What?
formation of ketone bodies.
That is okay. What is the precursor for ketone bodies formation? What is the starting material or precursor for ketogenesis?
Acetyl CA.
Acetyl CoA.
Ah,
Acetyl CoA. Okay. Where acetyl CoA is found? What is the source for acetyl CoA?
ma'am,
What is the source for acetyl CoA? How it is formed?
glycolysis.
Okay. Another pathway in lipid metabolism which gives acetyl CoA is what? In lipid metabolism also we derive acetyl CoA through another
Beta
pathway.
oxidation. Ma'am,
Beta?
beta oxidation.
Yeah, good, ma. And Kishore Kumar, now say about ketolysis. Thank you, Danush. Say about ketolysis. What? Your voice is not clear.
Catabolic process.
Catabolism. What product it will give?
Utilization of
What ma? What is the nature of acetone which is formed through ketogenesis, ma? Kishore Kumar. What is the fate of acetone formed through ketogenesis?
in
What? Say clearly. It will be excreted. No. Through breathing, it will be excreted, or through urine, acetone will be excreted. It will not form back acetyl-CoA. That is the fate of acetone. Whereas beta hydroxybutyrate and acetoacetate can be reversible reaction and can be reproduced, or it can form acetyl-CoA also. Okay, where once acetone is formed, it cannot revert back to acetyl-CoA. That is the fate of acetone. And what else we discussed in the last class regarding ketogenesis and ketolysis? Hope we have revised all the points. Now let's move on to the biosynthesis pathway of fatty acids. Okay, that is the part 3. Akash left the meeting. Only 29 are there. Okay, now let's see about biosynthesis of fatty acids. It is otherwise called as de novo synthesis of palmitic acid. Fatty acid, here we have taken palmitic acid, saturated fatty acid. Already we have discussed the catabolism of palmitic acid through beta oxidation pathway. Now we'll discuss how the palmitic acid is synthesized through metabolic process. That is called biosynthesis. The metabolic processes which undergo for synthesis of fatty acid is called biosynthesis. What way it is biosynthesized? That is nothing but de novo synthesis. It is synthesized through de novo process. Okay, let's see what is de novo synthesis of fatty acids. What is the example we have taken? Palmitic acid. Biosynthesis of fatty acids, that is palmitic acid through de novo pathway, we will discuss now. Let's see what is de novo synthesis of fatty acids. What is de novo? It is nothing but in Latin it means from the beginning. From the beginning, how it is, it means from the starting, from 1 to 10, likewise from A to Z. How it is synthesized stepwise, step to step, how it is synthesized. So that is called de novo synthesis. Okay, so from the beginning, how fatty acids are synthesized through de novo process, that we will discuss. What is fatty acid synthesis? It is nothing but the creation of fatty acids, from acetyl-CoA and NADPH. Acetyl-CoA is precursor, NADPH is coenzyme. Through the action of enzymes called fatty acid synthesis. So what enzymes are going to involved for synthesizing fatty acid? Fatty acid synthesis. They are called as FAS, fatty acid synthesis. Okay. So what is fatty acid synthesis? The creation of fatty acids from acetyl-CoA. Creation represents here synthesis from acetyl-CoA, that is precursor, and NADPH, that acts as coenzyme. Through the action of enzymes called, the group of enzymes called fatty acid synthesis. Okay. Now let's move on to what are the precursors for palmitic acid synthesis. As we have seen here, acetyl-CoA and NADPH are precursors. So how many, where it plays role in synthesis of fatty acids? Let's see now. Acetyl-CoA of 8 molecules are involved as a source of carbon atom for palmitic acid. Okay, acetyl-CoA, how many carbon acetyl-CoA has? It is how many carbon moiety it is? How many carbons acetyl-CoA has? How many carbons an acetyl CoA precursor has? If you are not able to say with audio, you can write even in chat. You can put messages in chat also. How many carbon moiety? Ajita, say. 2 carbon moiety. So how many carbon moiety palmitic acid is? How many carbons palmitic acid has? Already we have seen under beta oxidation, right? Say 16 carbons. How many carbons? Palmitic acid has 16 carbons. So 8 molecules of acetyl CoA, if it involves only, we can get 16 carbon moiety of palmitic acid. That's why the number 8 here I have represented. Okay, so 8 represents 8 molecules of acetyl CoA is involved in the formation of carbon atoms present in palmitic acid to get 8 into 2, 16 carbon moiety. Then NADPH, it is a reducing equivalent to give this proton coenzymes, like it is similar to NADH, it is NADPH, okay, nicotinamide, adenine, dinucleotide, phosphate dehydrogenase. NADPH, it is also nicotinamide derived, nicotine derived or niacin derived nicotinamide enzyme, vitamin. It is derived from niacin vitamin, okay, similar to NADH, but it will be selectively involving in some pathways only, not in all the pathways as like NADH, okay. NADPH, note down, NADPH is involving in palmitic acid synthesis. How many molecules? 14 molecules as reducing equivalent, and it uses ATP. 7 molecules of ATP is used for synthesis of palmitic acid. It acts as source of energy for synthesizing. It is an anabolic pathway. So for synthesizing from simple molecule to macromolecule, it requires energy. For anabolic pathway, it requires energy. How many molecules of energy it requires? 7 molecules of ATP energy as ATP it requires. Okay. So these are all the sources or precursors for palmitic acid synthesis. How many molecules of acetyl CoA? 8 molecules to get 16 carbon palmitic acid moiety. And how many reducing equivalent as NADPH? It takes 14 molecules. It utilizes as reducing equivalent to synthesize palmitic acid. Likewise, 7 ATP molecules as energy sources used or utilized for anabolism process for the synthesis of palmitic acid. Next we will see why do de novo synthesis of fatty acid important. Since it is a normal condition and abnormal condition, we have to see the importance of fatty acid synthesis through de novo process. The synthesized fatty acid used for energy production through beta oxidation. Definitely palmitic acid through beta oxidation, it gives how many ATPs? How many ATPs it is giving us energy through beta oxidation?
129.
129 ATP. So 16 carbon palmitic acid is giving 129 ATPs, right? So used for energy production, it is necessary to synthesize palmitic acid through this process, and used for lipid modification of proteins also. Lipid modification of proteins, that is lipoproteins. For the purpose, for these two cases, in normal conditions, fatty acid is required. In abnormal conditions, need to continually provide lipids for membrane production in highly proliferating cancer cells. Okay, to provide lipids for membrane production. Cell membrane composed of lipids also, right? Phospholipids. So this fatty acids need to continually provide lipids for membrane production in highly proliferating cancer cells. Just a minute. So in abnormal conditions, it needs to provide lipids for membrane production in highly proliferating cancer cells. In cancer conditions, it needs to provide lipids for membrane production. Okay. So for these purposes, fatty acid synthesis is important in both normal and abnormal conditions. So this much importance it has to provide 129 ATPase energy, and for lipid modification of proteins. Then you should have heard lipoproteins, right? High density lipoproteins, low density lipoproteins. So that modification is done based on this fatty acid production. And it is important to provide lipids for membrane production during cancer, proliferating cancer cells. Then where does de novo synthesis of fatty acid occur in the cell? Where it occurs? In cytoplasm. In cytoplasm, in extra mitochondrial or cytoplasmic fatty acid synthase system. Okay, in cytoplasm, in that where it is an extra mitochondrial or cytoplasmic fatty acid synthase system. In cytoplasm, where the enzyme complex is present, FAS system, in cytoplasm only. That is extra mitochondrial. That is outside of mitochondria. It takes place. So where palmitic acid synthesis takes place? In cytoplasm. Where ketogenesis, ketolysis occurs? In mitochondria. Since acetyl-CoA exists in mitochondria, right? Here, where FAS complex is present in cytoplasm. Now let's see what are the organisms it takes place. In cytoplasm of which organism? Cytoplasm is present inside the cell. So that cell makes different tissues. So what are the different tissues it takes place in an organism? In liver, tissues of cells of liver. That is hepatic cells. Cytoplasm is present in hepatic cells, then kidney cells, then adipose tissue, and lactating mammary glands. These are the 4 parts where fatty acid synthesis occur through de novo process. Okay. What are the parts? Liver, kidney, adipose tissue, and lactating mammary glands. In these 4 parts, fatty acid will be synthesized through de novo process. Then let's see the overall process through this flow chart. What are the steps involved in de novo synthesis of palmitic acid? That is 16-carbon moiety. From acetyl-CoA, acetyl-CoA first converted to malonyl-CoA by acetyl-CoA carboxylase enzyme. Through carboxylation process, if the acetyl-CoA goes for carboxylation, it gives malonyl-CoA. That is the first step. Then malonyl-CoA is transferred to FAS complex. What is FAS complex? Fatty acid synthase complex. Fatty acid synthase complex present in cytoplasm. So this malonyl-CoA is transferred to FAS through a series of, so in FAS complex, it undergoes, malonyl-CoA undergoes a series of reactions like condensation, reduction, and dehydration reactions. The 2 carbons of malonyl-CoA, the 2 carbons of malonyl-CoA are added to the growing fatty acyl moiety on FAS. So from malonyl-CoA, 2 carbons will be added to growing fatty acyl moiety on FAS complex. Through which reactions FAS complex undergoes condensation, reduction, and dehydration. Okay. So first acetyl-CoA was carboxylated to malonyl-CoA by acetyl-CoA carboxylase enzyme. Then this malonyl-CoA is transferred to FAS complex where it undergoes condensation, reduction, and dehydration reactions. Okay, the 2 carbons will be added to the fatty acyl moiety present in FAS complex for synthesizing or for growing the fatty acyl group to get 16-carbon palmitic acid. Okay, the next step, each turn of the cycle results in the addition of 2 carbon group to the fatty acid moiety. So what is the source for 2 carbon group? Here malonyl-CoA, not acetyl-CoA directly, malonyl-CoA, which is entering in FAS complex, malonyl-CoA, where acetyl-CoA is converted to malonyl-CoA, and this is giving 2 carbons to the fatty acid growing acyl moiety. Okay. And now each turn of the cycle provides 2 carbon to get 16 carbon palmitic acid. Okay, as well as the use of 1 ATP and 1 acetyl-CoA and 2 NADPH occurs in each step. Okay, so how many NADPH totally will be used? 14 NADPH and 7 ATP molecule and 8 acetyl-CoA molecules are totally utilized to produce 16 carbon palmitic acid. Okay, so when the cycle has completed 7 turns, so that each turn 1 ATP was used, so 7 turns 7 ATP were used, the 16 carbon fatty acid, that is palmitate, is released from FAS complex. So FAS complex only is responsible for synthesizing fatty acid. So what is FAS complex? What is FAS complex? Fatty acid synthase complex. Okay, so it is a group of enzymes present there. Where it is located? In mitochondria or in cytosol? Where FAS complex is present? It is a group of enzymes present for the synthesis of fatty acid. Okay, fatty acid synthase complex. Synthase represents enzyme. The complex represents a group of fatty acid synthase enzymes. Okay, where it is present in mitochondria or in cytoplasm? Only Ajita is answering. What about others? Sivakumar, give answer.
Cytoplasm.
In cytoplasm. Good. Where only FAS complex is present. What are the reactions it undergoes in FAS complex? What are the reactions malonyl-CoA undergoes to get fatty acid?
Condensation, reduction, dehydration.
Yeah, condensation, reduction and dehydration process. So which molecule enters FAS complex? Which molecule enters FAS complex?
Malonyl-CoA.
Malonyl-CoA. What is the source for malonyl-CoA?
Acetyl-CoA.
Acetyl-CoA. Good. So which reaction acetyl-CoA is converted to malonyl-CoA?
Carboxylase.
Carboxylation. So through acetyl-CoA carboxylase enzyme, it is going for carboxylation as malonyl-CoA, and then it enters into the FAS complex. It undergoes all the process to get 16 carbon palmitate acid. And how many molecules are utilized? That we have already seen in the previous slide. How many source of atoms? For carbon atoms, 8 molecules of acetyl-CoA is used. So equal amount of malonyl-CoA it releases through carboxylation. That malonyl-CoA gives fatty acid, 16 carbon fatty acid. Then 14 molecules of NADPH is used and 7 molecules of ATP is totally used to get palmitic acid. So it undergoes 7 steps. Like how palmitic acid goes for beta oxidation in 7 steps. Likewise, it is for synthesizing also from the precursors. It undergoes 7 steps to get 16 carbon palmitic acid. Okay, let's confirm the reaction with coming formates pathways. Okay. And what are the important enzymes in de novo synthesis of palmitic acid? What are the important enzymes? There are 3 types of enzymes are used. One is acetyl-CoA carboxylase. It is applicable for converting acetyl-CoA to malonyl-CoA. Then malonyl-CoA transferase. It is transferring malonyl-CoA to FAS complex. It is transferring it to FAS complex. So this is the second enzyme has importance. And then FAS complex, where the actually fatty acid is released. So these are the 3 main enzymes involved in fatty acid synthesis: acetyl-CoA carboxylase, malonyl-CoA transferase, and FAS complex. Okay. So this is about pathway. Here you can see the first process, that is citrate shuttle, where acetyl-CoA is produced more here. Then malonyl-CoA formation. Acetyl-CoA is transferred from mitochondria to cytosol. Here it is converted to malonyl-CoA. So second is malonyl-CoA formation from acetyl-CoA through acetyl-CoA carboxylase, where it consumes 1 ATP and 1 carbon dioxide for carboxylase process. Then malonyl-CoA released will be going for palmitate synthesis by means of transferring through malonyl-CoA transferase to FAS complex, where it undergoes condensation, reduction, dehydration, and again reduction reactions. And 2 carbon in each step, it donates 2 carbon from malonyl-CoA for the synthesis of palmitic acid. Okay. This is acetyl group, this is malonyl group. From malonyl group, 2 carbon moiety is added. And then likewise 6 times it is repeated to get. Already acyl group has 2 moiety of carbon. Then it undergoes palmitic acid formation. Okay, this is the 4th step. This pathway will be somewhat confusing to you. So here condensation, reduction and all, you can see the process, overall process. 4 carbon moiety will be added with 8 carbon, means 12 carbon from malonyl group to give 16 carbon palmitic acid. You can use this type of pathway like with the chemical structure. You can use, this is the pathway you need to write in exam. For easy understanding, you can use this pathway. Okay, and acetyl-CoA converted to malonyl-CoA, then malonyl-CoA to malonyl ACP. ACP represents acetyl group. It is attached with acetyl group. Then it is converted to, this all reaction happens in FAS complex. Okay, malonyl ACP, then acetoacetyl ACP, then 3-or-3-hydroxybutanoyl ACP. ACP represents acyl protein. Then butanoyl ACP, then butyryl ACP. These are all the reactions, condensation, reduction, dehydration and condensation process. Then at last, after 7 times through thioesterase enzyme, it is converted to palmitic acid. Here malonyl-CoA formation, then malonyl-CoA to fatty acid synthesis, palmitic acid formation. At last palmitate, it will be converted to butyryl ACP, will be converted to palmitic acid. This is given with chemical structure. Acetyl-CoA 2 carbon moiety, then malonyl-CoA is of 3 carbon moiety. Okay, of 3 carbon moiety. Then it is entering in the FAS complex. It is attached with acyl protein, malonyl ACP, acetyl protein or acyl protein. Then beta keto acyl ACP synthase, it will be forming keto acyl ACP. Then it uses reducing equivalent from NADPH for reduction purpose. Reduction is done by using NADPH coenzyme. Then it forms hydroxyacyl ACP. Keto acyl will be converted to hydroxyacyl at the mentioned position. It is represented with blue color, you can observe. Then beta hydroxyacyl ACP dehydratase, means where dehydration, removal of water molecule occurs to give enoyl ACP. Keto group is converted to hydroxyl group, then enoyl group, that is means unsaturated group, double bonded group. Then again it is getting reduced to give methylene group, ethylene, that is alkane groups, reduced form of alkenes, enoyl ACP reductase. It also uses NADPH. So fatty acyl ACP is formed. We need to remove this acyl ACP and we need to get palmitic acid. So that is done by the enzyme thioesterase. Here you can see the enzyme thioesterase. It converts butyryl ACP to palmitic acid. Okay, this is the ACP to palmitic acid. This R represents the multiple number of carbon atoms. Okay, so to get 16 carbon, this is general reaction. To get 16 carbon moiety, this step will be repeated 6 times. This is another format of same pathway only. Glucose, from glucose acetyl-CoA, after forming pyruvate to acetyl-CoA, then malonyl-CoA, the same process to form what? fatty acids, alkanes or alkenes, and triacyl glycerols. Everything is formed from this butyryl ACP. Okay. Not only palmitic acid, fatty acids, several fatty acids. It is 16 carbon fatty acid. Even less than that or more than that also will be synthesized through this fatty acid synthase complex. And even alkenes also are produced. Okay. Then triacyl glycerol, TAG represents triacyl glycerol. Triglycerides will be calling. Triglycerides also will be produced from fatty acid synthase complex. This is another format. Here also you can observe the reactions, complete reactions, acetyl-CoA to palmitic acid formation. After 6 more times by means of thioesterase enzyme, how the ACP is forming palmitate is mentioned here. Okay. So what are the significances of this pathway? Fatty acid synthesis is a critical anabolic pathway in most organisms. In addition to being the major component of membranes, fatty acids are important energy storage molecules, and fatty acyl derivatives possess a variety of physiological functions, including post-translational modification of numerous proteins. Okay, fatty acyl derivatives, fatty acyl groups are forming the ACP likewise. So that include post-translational modification involved in this physiological function of numerous proteins. That's what we have discussed in the previous slide itself. In the starting slides, we have seen the importance of fatty acid synthesis. It is modifying the numerous proteins. Then fatty acid biosynthesis is important for cell growth, differentiation, and homeostasis. And difference between beta oxidation and fatty acid synthesis is given here. Beta oxidation takes place in mitochondria, where synthesis catabolism in mitochondria, anabolism in cytoplasm. Intermediates are present as CoA derivatives here, covalently linked to thiol group of ACP, acyl proteins. It is attached with acyl proteins. Then enzymes are present as independent proteins here, multi-enzyme complex. Multi-enzyme FAS complex is synthesizing fatty acids. Sequential units, 2 carbon units split off as acetyl-CoA. Here 2 carbon units added as 3 carbon malonyl-CoA is formed. And then coenzymes NAD and FAD are reduced. Here NADPH is used for reducing power. This is about the difference between beta oxidation and fatty acid synthesis. So with this, I am completing today's class. In the next class, we will see about the metabolism of cholesterol. Okay. Have you understood the pathway of synthesis of fatty acid and its importance, everything? The next class, in brief, we will discuss about the metabolism of cholesterol and what are the other lipids are synthesized. Biosynthesis of other lipids too. We will discuss. Thank you all. Any doubt? Yeah, Pramod, what doubt you have? Have raised the hand, no? Okay. Okay, but thank you all. We'll leave the meeting now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay.